So today you'll be using SketchUp to create your tiny homes on a 3D model. So click on the SketchUp button. You will then click on Try SketchUp. Click on the arrow, select primary and secondary. Click Let's Get Going. Click on the arrow, select Yes. Click on the arrow, select Student. Click SketchUp for Schools. Here you will have to select your email, school email, and sometimes you may have to select allow. Once you're done, you click on the three lines, click on new model, select the simple template feet and inches, go back on the untitled, type in your name and period, press OK. You will select a folder for you to save it. Just make sure whatever folder that you do select, you remember. So when we go back and put it onto your portfolio, you know where to find it. Now there are three features that I want to mention. The first one is the wheel on your mouse. You can zoom in and zoom out. The second one is the orbit, where you can move it around the plane. And then you click right here, the orbit, the hand, you can push the orbit where you would like. You have this undo button if you make mistakes, and you also have this eraser. So if we start off with the pencil, we're going to click on the pencil. Please make sure you notice this length box. You're going to be looking at it at the same time as drawing your lines. These colors right here will help and guide you in drawing those lines. So let's start at the back side, 22 feet. We're going to click, make sure we're red, let go. Move it to where you see 22. Doesn't have to be exact. Click again, and then it'll turn black. Let's go ahead and look at the left side, 17. So we're right here. Now we want the color green. So we're going to keep on moving until we see green. If we don't see green, go ahead and click on this orbit, turn it a little. Click on this hand to make sure you have enough room to draw your 17 feet. Let's click on this line again. Click on that endpoint, let go. There's my green. 17 is right about here, perfect for me. Keep going, that's the left side. The front, we're going 12 feet across. So click on that endpoint. 12, we're back with red. Let's see, that's 9, 10, 12, perfect enough. Click and let go. If we look at the front, again, the front, we're going in 6 feet. So now we're stopping, we're gonna go in 6 feet. That's a little tricky right there. So we have green now, we're going in 6 feet. That's 5, 6, there we go, let go. We're going back out 10 feet. So we wanna see red, so click, red, you see our red, 10 feet, that's perfect for me. And then this is as simple as just coming right over and guiding you. And there's your foundation. Now to put our walls, we're going to look for the blue. Remember the walls right here for the front wall is 10 feet 6 inches. Come to the front of the house, click on that endpoint. We have blue, 10 feet 6 inches, perfect. And then remember the back wall is 9 feet. So we come to the back side. Let me click on something to kind of get out of there. Get out of there. Okay, so now we have the back wall. We're going up 9 feet. That's excellent. Connect those two dots. And what you will see if you click on this orbit and you move around is that the wall is slanted. Now, if we want to go ahead and make the roof, we will notice that the roof is 1.5 feet bigger than the building. So what you will do is once you finish all the walls and you connect all the points, you will come right over here to the end and you go out 1.5 feet. So right here, we're looking, there we go, that's 1/6. Let's see if I could get right to the 5. I cannot for some reason, but right now I did, so I'm going to click again, come right over here, click on that. This already kind of guides me, so that's fine. And there is your roof. You could go back and delete that line if you wanted to kind of clean it up in case if you do get that line. Now there will become a point where once you go up, this was 9 feet, so let's see, like right there. That's fine. So a lot of times it would already guide you to the points. So you see there's your back wall. Now when you get to this point, remember it's 1.5 feet. Please make sure that, perfect, you connect this little corner right here. Okay, so you have a wall that goes from edge to edge of the house. And again, the points would automatically, if you're lucky, or if you make your marks clear, the points will automatically come out for you to click on. So make sure you press save very frequently. I didn't do it right now because I was just kind of teaching you, but as you go through your model, please make sure you press save, because if you don't, you will, and you have the potential of losing material. So if you have any questions, please let me know. You can always pause and rewind. Thank you and good luck.